Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at LizzieLovesLife, and today I'm excited to do a new project pan here on my channel. This is called the Monochromatic Project Pan, and it runs throughout the year of 2021. Each month is a different color that you need to pick 5 to 10 items out of your collection, makeup, hair care, samples, full size, what have you. And you can either try and use it up, hit pan, certain number of uses, a lot of like loose kind of things. For me, I picked out 6 items in my collection that I want to use up and some hit pan on during the month of January. So if you're excited to see what it is that I picked out for this project pan, then keep watching. So like I said, January is the color purple or plum. So basically you needed to pick out products with purple or plum inspired or actual colors. So I chose 6 items, whether it be packaging or the product itself, that I want to hit pan on or use up completely during this month. So let's get into it. Let's start off with makeup because I feel like makeup is one of those fun things everyone likes to pan. So the first thing is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Volume 3 palette, and there is a blush in here in the shade Surreal Halo. So it is this blush right here, and it kind of has that purple kind of plum tint to it. Now I love Hourglass products, especially their blushes, because they kind of are a nice wash of color without being like bam pigmentation. They also have a nice shimmer to it, which is really beautiful, gives a nice glow to the skin, and especially when you have a drier skin in the winter time, these make your skin look so youthful and healthy. So I am excited to try and hit pan on this blush. That is, I know, probably a really tall order. If I can even just kind of make the pan, if I could just make the pan halfway, like so you can slide your finger and hit metal to metal, that would be nice too, but I will get it all over my face. Let's blend that in. I will try and use this blush a little bit more. I know this is probably one of those products that the goal may not happen in 2021. I know this is one of those products that is a huge task for a blush, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna use it every day and see what I can do with it. Another product that is purple in my collection is from my Pan That palette for this year. So if you haven't seen my intro and kind of the reasons why my plans on for this palette, I will link that up above. But there is a purple in here. So in the Dream Trio right here, there is this really gorgeous purple shimmer shade. So it's kind of purple plummy rust color. I figured what I can try and do, especially since this is Pan That palette, is try and hit pan on the eyeshadow. I do have it a little bit on my eyes, just kind of topping my eyes on the middle to outer part of my eyes. So I am going to try and hit pan on that, focus on that being my main overall eyeshadow shade for January, so we're going to be playing with that more. Then I have the lip product that I'm wearing currently right now. This is from Butter London, and this is the Plush Rush Satin Matte Lipstick in Charmed. And I have had this now like 2 years, I believe. It is kind of a little messed up at the top. My son picked this out in a like toddler picks my makeup challenge. I can link that up above, but this is currently where that lipstick is right now for the beginning of this project pan. I do like that this project pan has a different color per month, so that way you can just constantly rotate things and play with different things in your collection, which is why I hopped on this project pan. So I'm excited to work on this lip product a little bit more this month. I have a hair care item. This is from L'Oreal. This is the Air Dry It Undone Styling Cream. This is a heat-free style frizz resistant. Now I have had this probably since Jackson, my son, was born about 3 years ago. So I do want to try and use this up. It does have a 12-month expiration. I do want to play with it more this month and see if I can use it up. If it's still good, I will do that. If it's bad, then I will declutter it. Using and looking at it just now, it seemed fine, so I will play with it. I put this on wet hair and then let it kind of air dry, and it's good to go. I don't know if I did like a full demo review of this. If I did, I will link it in the cards. But yeah, this is kind of my goal, to try and work on this and use this during this month. You guys know. You guys know. If you know, you know. This is the Human and Kind Body Souffle. As you can see, it has been in previous project pans. Still haven't used it up. And it has purple flowers. So I'm so close. It would be so amazing to get this out of my collection, especially the first month of 2021. So it is in here, guys. I'm like down to the depths of this. So hopefully I can use this up. Again, it has purple flowers, so it counts. And yeah, okay. So I do really like this body lotion. I don't know, it just takes me forever to use body lotions. Definitely one of those things I don't think about using all too much. So let's do this. Let's do this thing in January 2021. And then the last thing, because I am going to need another one of these in my rotation, is a candle. I'm currently using the 'Tis the Season, which is a plummy kind of candle, but I figured that would be cheating to try and use that up. So this has a purple little sticker on it. This is Spiced Apple Toddy from Bath and Body Works. It is Christmas kind of inspired, decorated, but I love this scent. It has purple. I need a new candle to burn probably this week. So I pulled this one out. I love playing the which candle to burn next game. I'm not the type of person that's like, only for fall, only for winter, only for Christmas. Like, I just do whatever I feel like it. So this was a fun one to pull out. This is Warm Apple Brandy, Spiced Plum, Tart Cranberry, and Cinnamon Stick. I've used up one of these in 2020, loved it, and that's why I purchased the winter one. I don't know, maybe I've used 2 of these up already. Anywho, everything starts over with January, right? Here in the project painting community, January 1st is the new year for project painting. So this is in for this project as well. So that is everything for the Monochromatic Project Pan intro and my January goals. For this project, I plan on in the mid of every month kind of giving you guys kind of an update on these products, and then at the beginning of the new month, come February 1st and January, sometime around there where I get to filming and uploading for you guys, I will end these products and do the new color for February. So that's kind of the rotation that's going on with this project pan, to kind of keep bringing new products in, but I still want to kind of update you guys mid-month if I do get some good progress going on. So if you're doing this project pan, let me know in the comments down below. I'm really excited to work on my products with you guys this year again. So be sure to subscribe to stay up to date, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.